we are outside. There is the garage camera. Most of all the lines are brought into the house through conduit. And then we punch in at the bottom to the basement. So just wanted to show you that. Let's look at the other side. Same deal, conduit to the outside. So let's step outside and look at the cameras. Again, there's your garage one. Here is the outdoor garage facing, I called it the parking lot. There is another one looking at the backyard. Here is the jacuzzi one. Again, following some conduit so nobody can cut the cables or anything. There's the jacuzzi camera. Here is the patio camera, which is a 180, as well as the access point. That camera is 12 feet up. We thought about going higher. If we went higher, you were gonna lose some definition. This is a perfect height. We tested it, and you're able to get this entire area because it is a 180 panoramic, and you're even able to get somebody standing in the front door here. Oh, and I got one more access point to show you. I forgot about the other access point. Coming around, they are the last two cameras. One is pointing at the front door and all of this part of the driveway. And then probably the best camera you have is this one that I upgraded to a 180. It catches everything from that end all the way to that end. And then let me show you finally the access point that I forgot. And there it is. And that's pretty much it. All right.